Icon, your fast and reliable vehicle diagnostic tool. On the box, you find helpful information such as how to get started. Inside is a leaflet with our quick start guide and additional information about our software and services. This is the Vehicle Diagnostic Tool, Icon. On the short end of the unit, the important security dongle is located. It is paired with your Icon and required to use our software. The appreciated LED light is integrated into the OBD connector. You also get a USB-C to USB-A cable. There you have it. Autocom Icon, your all-in-one diagnostic tool.